Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, I'm going to go over the tap step called the slurp or third. So this one has two different names. It's called the slurp or a third. So these are, they branch off of riffs. So if you know your riffs, then you could do slurps. I'll call them slurps because that's how I learned them. So you want to think about that same kind of motion as a riff, right? So you take that 3-count riff, right? And you're going to use the same 3 sounds, but it's going to be kind of a different movement. Instead of leaving your foot up in the air, you're going to go through with that step scuff. You're going to try to leave your heel on the ground. And then once you have that heel on the ground, you can drop that toe. Okay, so it's step, scuff, and then heel. Yeah? When you do it faster, it sounds better, it looks better, but when you start out, you want to start slow, and it looks a little bit wonky, a little weird. So again, it's step, scuff, toe. Okay? Again. Same thing on the left side. You want to think about step, and then through to that scuff, but don't lift up that scuff because you're going to right away drop down that toe. So again. Yeah? These work a little bit better if you keep them underneath yourself. So when I was demonstrating, I was going far out. But you really want to keep them underneath yourself. Yeah? When you start speeding them up. Okay? So you're really thinking about just letting that toe and heel fly and then letting the toe drop just drop down afterwards. Don't think about it too much. That's kind of the key to this. Also, the other key to this is having nice loose ankles, because if you're too tight, it's going to be too rigid. You're not going to be able to get those nice even sounds, right? Think about just kicking your foot out there and then letting your toe drop. So kicking your foot in that step scuff and then just letting your toe drop. Yeah? Same thing on the left side. I don't do left side as well as my right, but you want to think about step, scuff, toe drop. Okay? You can do a few of these in a row. You can do them walking. So if you want to do them a little bit faster, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, and same thing with left side, starting left. 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so what you really want to think about, just kind of let your foot go. And then you can, nice loose ankle, and then you can get all 3 of those sounds nice and fluid. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe for new tap videos every Tuesday and Thursday. If you have a question or a comment about a certain step, go ahead and let me know down in the comments section. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.